man aboard. This is my first video. I do have a YouTube channel called Project Camper, and that is all about living the van life. I live full time in my van, but I decided I'd buy a boat, and that is it. This is it. It is a 22-foot Jaguar. They also call them in America a Cataline 22. So you can see it's in pretty rough shape. It's called the Blue Wave. I'm going to rename that. English sticker. All this horrible like red paint. It's just flaking off. Grubby windows. It's got loads of silicone sealant in it. All these things, have no idea what they do. But as I said, this is my first boat, I haven't got a clue. And it's raining now. I think the summer's over. Anyway, let's hop aboard and see what it's like inside, because this is clean compared to inside. Well, as you can see, it's pretty grim in here. I'll just show you around, because it is. Whew, yuck, yuckity yuck. I mean, look at all those electrics. Wow. All this skanky wood, all this skanky carpet, skanky cushions. Fluff, some old light, awful foam, hull liner, that's all coming off, all of that manky stuff. It's just an absolute mess in here, but it is solid. So you've got a lift up keel. Some more cable, 240 socket, radio bracket that looks like it's been hanging off, but yeah, I even get a free hoover. Well, this is my new project. It cost me 800 quid. I don't know if that's cheap or expensive, but it is what it is, and then that's the sort of price I was willing to pay for it. It was up for a bit more, quite a bit more, but do you know what? I thought, I don't know what I'm doing. It looks solid. There's no cracks on the hull. There's no cracks around the strengthening points, like up in the corners and stuff like that. I've had a look underneath. I've had a look at all the little ribs that go down the side of the boat, underneath the boat, all around. I did wonder what this thing was. You know, I just thought it was an old newel post, but they call this a compression post. So obviously that's where the mast is going to go. And yeah, compression post. New word of the day. So all these little acronyms that I have no idea, and I still can't get my head round which is port side. I think port is red and it's on the left, because there's port is red wine, and port is 4 letters, and so is left. So I think that's right. If you have got a Jaguar 22 or a Catalina 22, it'd be great to, like, if you like, comment below, and then I can have a look at yours, and that'd be quite cool, so I can get some ideas. But at the moment, all I've seen is loads of pictures on the internet, and I would like to make this all nice and clean inside and put it pretty much back to standard. It's like these bits of wood here, they're not standard, so they're all going to come off. And the reason why I've called it man aboard is because I'm a man and I want to board this little boat, and I want to take it places. I want to go up rivers, I want to go out to the sea. I live on the south coast, so I'm quite excited to like strip it all back. And I mean, it's raining at the moment, so I can't do nothing to the outside, but I'm just going to chuck everything in here in the back, and then I can just take it up the tip. It's like all this, all that stuff there. Doesn't look very nice, so I'm going to have to break out the gloves. But I'd like to just show you like the journey of turning a turd into a not so turd, I suppose. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I know a lot about electrics, so let's just crack on. Anyway, don't forget to click and subscribe, give me the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and it'd be really interesting to read the comments, and look forward to basically sharing my experience and doing up this, dare I say, shidder, and we'll have a bit of fun in it. I need to look at some pictures to see if this bit here goes there, because that doesn't look like a very factory, does it? But it's got this thing that slides. I don't know. This can only imagine go on there with a little pin or something. The rudder. Wow, that is quite a big old. That's a handle for it. I've just dug that out. Don't remember it being that big on the pictures. It's got this running strip. I think it's just. Now, what is this? Ah, there you go. Just LEDs inside it. That's all going to come off. It's got these holes in here. I don't know if they're meant to be. Oh, look, more. Oh, someone's gone well beyond Timu lights. Yeah, I don't need all that. Right. So, I think it's got some kind of paint on here that's made this post, pole, steering thing, arm, tiller. Oh, look at the size of that spider. Oh yeah, look at that. Cool. Don't want that going inside. Oh. Oh, look at the size of it. Where's it gone? Let's go and get it. all this like hexagon stuff. And I don't think that door's meant to be like that. Is it supposed to have, I thought it's supposed to have two bits, one that bit that size and then one big bit. I might be wrong. Oh, it's even got a 240 socket down there. Wow. Well, yeah, this is, oh, I don't know what this is. Is it paint? Someone must have spilt some paint in it. God dear. It's gonna take some doing, isn't it? Just get a scraper. But this is stuck solid. So it must be. Oh, yeah, there you go. There's remains of paint there, look. It's like Santex. Now, it's going to take some scrubbing, isn't it? It's going to take some more than Mr. Muscle to do this. Oh well, got to be a bit of fun. Right, so only after a couple of minutes I just stripped all this stuff out, and I've actually got this crappy little solar panel thing working, charging up, as you can see there, and we've got a load button, so I've just wired that up to a little room, and so hopefully I'll press and hold that button, and then we should have, yay, a light. That's handy. So, battery is charging. We are at 12.6, which is not bad. If it goes below 12.2, then that's a flat battery, but it should be okay because it's green. So the little solar panel is just there. It does need a bit of a clean, but it's doing something, and that's enough to put a light on. I have got another battery here, you waste one. I know that one's okay. It's only an 063, so it's like 45 amp hours, which is you half that. So there you go. We have a working rubbishy solar controller. I wonder if the USBs work. That'd be quite interesting to find out. Anyway, so that's that.
Can't deny giving me the best time. My body
had enough for one day.